Hi everyone, Manu here with a new Cookie Connection challenge. Our featured guest, Evelin Milanesi, also known as Evelindecora, will talk soon about her pipette crochet technique that you can see in detail here in this video slideshow. Evelin, hi, thank you for being here.
Hi Manu, thank you so much for inviting me. It's always a huge honor to be part of Cookie Connection project. So I will simplify this technique. So I'm going to work on a square, very small square cookie so that everybody can approach to this technique step by step, very slowly. Chosen to stop here also to show part of the flooding on the cookie. I just flooded my cookie and this is the result. I mean, we have to cover it with crochet, so that's okay. The shade is the same. I mean, this is a Maricolor Super Red with a little tiny part of I love using stiff icing. That's because I can always fix the mistakes. Let's start with not with icing, but with the pencil on paper, so we can see clearly how I am going to approach this technique. Decorating has to be pleasant, not a fatigue. So I let the piping bag do all the hard work. You know, Manu, I always say regarding edible stuff, there are never mistakes because they have to be eaten.
This technique can be applied to any shape of cookies.
Of course, I can show you some different shapes you can work.
Thank you, Evelyn, for being here with us.
Thank you so much. It has been so fun, and so thank you. I send you a big hug and see you on Cookie Connection.
Bye-bye.